Hey, Bubba does.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to my studio. Today, I'm going to teach you how to draw a broccoli character. So grab a paper and something to draw with, and let's get started. Okay, first we're going to start with the top of the broccoli. So we're going to do some rounded shapes like this. Perfect. Let's come down and let's draw the stem now. Down like this, and around. Another line down like this, and let's close off this shape on the side, like that. Perfect. I think we're gonna have this line come up just a little bit more, and then we're gonna close it off with some more bumps like this. That's looking good. Let's come over on this side and do a line like that, another line like that, and some more round bumps. Perfect. Next, let's give our character some eyes. So let's move in and do a round shape there, another round shape there, and then a couple lines underneath, like that. It's looking really good. Next, let's move in and finish the pupils. Like that. To finish the eyes, let's give it some eyebrows. And move down and do a little mouth. And then just a couple details around like that to finish off our broccoli. A couple more up here. And there, we have a little broccoli character. How about we do one more before you go, okay? Let's do a grumpy broccoli, because broccoli isn't always that great, but let's see what we can do. Let's start with another top like this. And then move down and let's do the stem just like we did over here. Do the stem before we close off that shape. Like that. And close off the top of the broccoli. And then we'll have a couple rounded shapes to close that off. Perfect. Next, let's move down in to do the eyes like we did the other one. A straight line right in the middle, and then two round shapes. A couple lines underneath, and then we finish with the pupils looking to the side. Perfect. Let's do the mouth now. Let's do a really big grumpy mouth. A curved line like that, and then a straight line underneath, and just a couple lines curved to the side like that. Don't forget the grumpy teeth. Grumpy teeth. Then a tongue, a line under the chin, and then just a few details around to finish our character. And there we have a grumpy broccoli.
Yay!
Good job. You did a really good job today. I'm so proud of you. Come back again soon and we'll draw more characters. Bye.
Please make sure to subscribe and share with your friends. This helps YouTube continue to share our videos so that more kids around the world can continue to learn how to draw with Bubba. Thank you!
Big box. Videos.